Yomi Fabiyi ti fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ láti òkè òkun tó wà lórí ìdí tó fi kúrò ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tó fi sá lọ sí òkè òkun o nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad o ẹ̀jẹ̀ agbọ̀ngàn tó sọ.
Today is the 30th of September 2024 and this is 26 minutes past 1 p.m. And justice fighter, those that are seeking justice for Mohbad, they just left the House of Assembly. Arifa, Onile, Bintilayi, Madam Grace, all of you, thank you. I am supposed to be there with you guys. I was already in Lagos yesterday, like this, but unfortunately, I have to jump on the next available flight out of Nigeria because I have been penciled down for assassination. You heard me clear. For the first time in my life, I know that they are going to take my life out. I have given everything I have to the police, and they are working hard. I just want to beg, nothing must happen to all the sources I have mentioned when attending the police. The CCTV, it must be investigated. Phone forensic is a must. It's not that I'm running. It's not that I don't want to be killed or anything. If it is that one, I'm not going to run for anything. But because I know if they take my life now, it will cause a serious distraction, and a lot of people, even it's going to stall the case, and they will probably want to extract some things from me before they go after the sources. So, Nigerians, I don't know where I'm going from here, but I'm out of Nigeria and I'm safe, 80%. Justice is a must. I'm sorry I did not take you along. You know, it came unaware and I couldn't plan for you, but you'll be fine. I hope your mom will look after you, but I'll come back for you. Trust me, I'll come back for you. I believe in Nigeria, I believe in the justice system, and I believe there are still honest Nigerians in that country that will deliver justice. And justice will be served in this Mohbad's case. I didn't take shower, can you see? I wasn't planning for this, I didn't prepare for this. This is the only thing I could take. So, I'm happy that I have my passport with me because how did I know they were going to take my life? I want to say thank you to all those that, combined efforts to get me out of Nigeria. And we're going to work and ensure that Nigeria gets better. To every Justice for Mohbad campaigner, home and abroad, I say thank you, I salute you. So I don't know where I'm going from here. This is me. I'm outside Nigeria. Understand? So this is it. So and Aroguma Sanio, Shimoni, Jamasano Lomaki Konju, Entoma Lunyogun, Konikusojogun, the Mikioku can be Konshi, and ya Panile alone Jin law. But if you don't get to understand that this Mohbad case, alone, for me to back down and say I'm leaving the case because of any threat, blackmail, not on your life, I would never. But everything that needs to be done in Mohbad's case, the CCTV, phone forensic, it must be done while I'm here. You know the meaning. If police go in there and say they don't see anything, it could, I'm not going to say more than that. So let justice be served, and it's sacrosanct. Thank you all. Thank you guys.